YouTube, what's poppin'? Retro family, retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you in the shoebox. Know y'all see the title, the thumbnail, limited, right? Limited heat on deck. Got my guy in the building, my Ace Boom Coon, Retro Gang, Retro Family, man, Dre, aka Dre Ice. See what's going on, man? Look, my guy pulled up on me at the shoebox. Everybody know that I hit. Gang hit.
Yes, sir.
The shoe butler hit. Everybody trying to figure out how we hit. Do me a favor before we even get started. Hit the like button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share. I'm going to tell you why. Once we get up to, we're going to say 100 views. I'm not going to hold you up. I'm not going to be real petty. 100 views. And then at the comments below, and we get 50 comments that says spoof, we're going to show y'all how we secured what I'm finna show y'all. Look, I'm not going to hold y'all up. I got to do it right now, man. Dre, would you hold that for me, sir? Want to let them know what size that is?
6.5 right here.
8.5. Oh, man. More heat. 9. So we got 9, 8.5, and 6.
6.5.
6.5. My apologies. And my guy Dre Ice hit on all 3 pair manually. No bot. We spoof. Like I said, we're going to put y'all up on game. We're going to do it for the iPhone. We're going to do it for the Android. But I need y'all to tell a friend, man. That's what we're here for. We're going to keep y'all linked in and informed. We want everybody to get a, you know what I'm saying, a W instead of an L, man. But I'm going to unbox this one right now. I'm going to set this one here out of the way. And I'm going to let you hold this one. I'm going to get the boxes from you. That's that one. I just want to show y'all, matter of fact, so people, y'all won't think we playing games with the boxes and all that. You know how people be sometimes, big dog. 6.5. You want to pull that one out? 6.5. So we got one here, one here. Hey, y'all forgive me. Y'all know I hate bending down. I always say I pop my apologies. Here go the other one here. Woo, boy, heat on heat.
Fire.
If y'all don't know, I told y'all the next video y'all gonna see. I'm gonna knock this one out first. The next video y'all gonna see after this, we can announce the winner of the off-whites. So look, well, we got a lot of off-white on deck, man. We got a lot of off-white on deck in the building, man. Courtesy of my guy Dre. Good looking, fam. So look, assume I got my pair gone. I never even had a chance to open it up. I got a campaign coming out. We're going to help out the less unfortunate. I got to feed my hood, so my pair is gone, man. I'm going to tell you what I sold it for. Shout out to my guy Scotty for that purchase. But look, check this out, man. Dre, I think you can tell them a little bit better while I zoom in. Right. What you like about the shoe and what you dislike about the shoe?
All right, so I like the shoe just because of the quality of the leather, but at the same time, it's different from the other previous off-white forces. In my opinion, this is probably the most hyped up, but yet not the best one. The best
put
one
together. They ain't well put together.
Right. Okay. Like, it's just a regular Air Force One, to be honest with you. I mean, it's different from the other ones, but it's just regular. So, it's nice for retail.
For retail. You can't go wrong with retail.
Right.
But resale is doing numbers.
About, between 1.6 to a little over 2K.
Y'all hear my guy said $1,600. I'm going to break it down to $2,000. The shoe retail for $150-ish.
$150 plus tax.
Plus tax. So, I mean, if you don't want the shoe, you can let it go to somebody to do, make a little profit off of it. I do advise that.
Right.
Especially if you're not into the Air Force Ones like that. But if you are and you collecting, go ahead and collect. Your collection is your collection, man. What else you don't like about the shoe, fam?
I mean, that's pretty much it. Just, I like it, but I feel like it's not worth the resale. Yeah. I like it, though. But I'm not an Air Force One person either.
Okay.
So,
okay. Me neither. And the reason why is typically when I get the Air Force One, it'll crease up right here after I wear it maybe 1 or 2 or 3 times. I don't like the lows at all. If I do, it'll be a high or a mid. When I'm looking at the shoe, my personal opinion, it just looked like a basic Air Force One, all white, spray painted blue, some Home Depot paint. Y'all know where y'all heard that from. They put an arrow on here. And look, I ain't ragging on the shoe. I'm putting y'all on game. I'm going to keep y'all linked in the forum, man. Right here as well. You got the silver. I kind of see where Drake coming from. It's basic. It's like even the laces, cause on most off-whites, it say laces everywhere. I think it say laces like one time. even in the blue lace. And only that, I got the fetish with laces. You only gave me a blue lace. What other color that they could have gave us?
They could have gave us red.
That red would have killed them with the
maybe
tag.
silver, but I feel like a red lace would have done us justice, you know. But they played us a little bit on that. It's cool though.
And then another thing Dre brought out to me, if y'all got the off-whites, the yellow pair.
Yeah, the Volt.
The Volts. This is in the back different. This actually folds down. This doesn't. I do recommend going to your size. What I do notice in this shoe, don't worry, gang, we're gonna hit the wall. Mm-hmm. And the inside of this shoe is like it's protruding out. It sticks out. So if you wore a 10, I say wear a 10. Don't go down to a 9.5 because you're gonna have a little problem up in here. Some good cushion, but it's not like a basic Air Force One. So I had to put that out there. You know what, man? I'm not gonna hold y'all up, man. I'm finna hit the wall. Let's hit the wall, gang, now.
Let's go.
All right, Retro family, Retro gang. We on the wall. Just to let y'all know what's going on. Paperwork right here. Man, come on. Size 9. Size 6.5. Size 9.5. I hope y'all tell a friend and tell a friend. We get them 50 comments on that spoof, man, so we can get this popping. So here go the detail review. As promised, Air Force One 07 Virgil, size 9. See the numbers on here? What I do know about the box off rip, it's not the tan off-white box and everything backwards. You know, they're giving the nod to the Air Force One. See the force right here? Gonna pull these back out again so we can get up close and personal, gang. Even on the paper. We're gonna set this right here. Even on the paper, we're gonna do kind of legit check. You got force right here. All on the paper. Paper is kind of like a wax feel, thick. Inside of the box, see these numbers here? Hope y'all can zoom in on that. Those are the numbers. Of course, you got the Nike on the front. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. Good quality leather or no? It's blue, white laces. Extra bag with the laces that says shoelaces. The tongue always, make it breathe. They split the tongue. Then you got right here, you got Air, Nike Air off. Bottom of the sole, nothing spectacular, just all. I call this Papa Smurf blue, by the way. You got the Air right here. Maddie could have did that. We're going to leave that one alone, though. You got Air right here. The tag. My guy Dre was letting me know about his pair versus the other pair. He feels like the Volt pair tag is a little bit better. They could have did something a little bit better with this. Only thing I pretty much like about this shoe is probably the silver on the shoe. You got the stitching. Make sure everything coming up. Inside, because you got the off-white symbol with the Nike. On the back, too, as well, like this flip down. It's like they got the flip down right here is stitched in. It's actually supposed to come up and down. I hope I'm gonna leave a picture on the side so y'all can see what I'm talking about. All the stitching here as well. This is what I was saying about on the inside. Now you can see it. Look. So if you wear your size 9, stick to a 9. I wouldn't recommend going a high size down because this is how this protruding out. It's for comfort. I'm sure your ankle support, stuff of that nature. But once again, man, you can rock with no socks. You double up on your socks, I think you might be in a little pain now. That's just my personal opinion. Let's pull out the shoe tree. We're gonna get all the way with the legit check. Come on, man. You see what's going on? Leave this here. So that's one. Let's go ahead and get the other one out. This famous hang tag here. Once again, got the Air. You got the off-white tag that says off-white, CO Nike, 2017, zip tie. Now this one has like a little shiny on the back. It's dull. Make sure everybody's seeing that. Once again, you got Nike Air on this. I love the off-white split on the tongue, but even I'm noticing around the ankle support, they even split this all the way. Like they did that off-white, what was it, Carolina? Is it the Carolinas?
About what?
The split on these, if I'm not mistaken.
Yep.
The off-white. Matter of fact, I got that pair in the building. You want to hand me that pair real quick, big dog? So they did them for the Air Forces too. Just let you know how they. See what I'm saying, with the off-white coming all the way around. Kind of did it the same. Just letting y'all know what's going on with that pair. So like I say, man, to each his own, man. Your collection is your collection. Of course, you got the trademark off-white, Oregon, USA. Sheesh, once again, man, my guy Dre, I can't even say he double strong. He triple strong up on us today, man. 3 pairs, man, 1 location. Nice. So you know what I say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Tell a friend and tell a friend, man. That's what we're here for. Hey, man, sorry for the delays on the vidges, man. I got 4 girls back to school. School shopping. I've been helping out other campaigns. We're helping out my hood with back to school book bags. We did a 150 book bag giveaway. Follow us on IG. You'll see that campaign. Man, we love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Still a whole lot of gang. We out.